Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can install Iris for iOS from your MacBook Apple device with Mac OS. What you need to install Iris for iOS is just go to this page, Iris iOS, and download this IPA file. Then you also need to go to Cydia Impactor page and download it for Mac OS X. So in the tutorial here we have the same steps and it's at the top of the page. After you download these files, you have these two files on your desktop. So when I double click this, I just drag the impactor to the applications folder. You see that I had it already, but when you copy it, you won't see it, and go to the applications. From here, you can actually add impactor somewhere here and click it. Now you see that my phone is connected. This is my iPhone. My iPhone is connected via cable to my MacBook, and what we need to do is just drag this thing here over here, and right now I need to log in. This is my email and I need my Apple ID password, but my actual password I think will not work and you'll get a provisional CPP. You see that here it says app specific password, and to get an app specific password just go to Apple ID in Google and enter here appleid.apple.com. Sign into your account. I have two-factor authentication, so you just need to click allow, and not sure if you get the password on your phone or on your PC, but this is the code that you need to enter. Every time it's different. This is for additional security, but it's stupid. Never mind. So when you're here in your profile, you need to generate a specific password. Do you see this? You need to click this and let's say the app specific password will be Iris app specific password. Now I need to click create and I get this password. I need to copy this, like right click and copy or command C, and paste this into the impactor. Let's do the same process again. I drag and drop this here. I enter my email. I click OK and enter this password from here. It's not my regular password that I use to log into iCloud. When I paste this, you see that it starts to install the app into my phone, and it wants my password for the login keychain, which I'm not sure what will be on your PC, but on my PC it's simple Daniel. Okay, so this is your login password that you use to log in on your PC. So I mean on your MacBook. When you shut down your computer and then restart it, you have a password to log in, and after unlock you have the same password. This is this password. So this is the password of your MacBook, and if you click allow, come on, you need to enter it several times maybe, or click always allow, And now we're waiting for Iris to start on our MacBook. You get an error, but actually Iris is installed. You can see it here. This is Iris and it's installed. So this error is actually success. So good job. Now when I click Iris from here, see, the app opens, and let me see how I can do this. Okay, let's try like this. The app opens and you see the iris effect, the blue light reduction, the pulse width modulation, frequency reduction. For example, if I drag the brightness slider, we have the difference in the brightness, the difference in the color temperature, and if I click this, I enable and disable Iris. So this is how you can install Iris on your iOS. And you see this is without Iris, and this is with Iris. It's a big difference. We're working to make this version better right now, and it will be awesome. It will have the automations and all the features on the regular Iris, like these modes here. We'll have them all on the phone, so stay tuned. It will be awesome. And let me know in the post CD Impactor troubleshooting CD Impactor on this post, which you can find also from here. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts, and I'm just seeing these super unhelpful comments, so I'm going to talk with the support team about this, and sorry for the unhelpful stuff. I'm going to also answer after a minute every one of your questions, so you can easily install Iris on your iOS. Thank you.